Have you ever stepped into a luxury hotel bathroom and thought, why doesn't my bathroom feel like this? The calm, the freshness, the relaxing vibe. It feels expensive, peaceful, and almost magical. But what if I told you that you don't need thousands of dollars, renovations, or fancy products to turn your ordinary bathroom into a spa-like retreat? Today, I'll show you how to create that same relaxing atmosphere on a small budget. And trust me, the transformation is shocking. Before we start, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon, because these home transformation hacks will change the way you feel about your space every single day. Why a spa-like bathroom changes everything. A bathroom is no longer just a place to shower and leave. It's where your day begins and ends. When your bathroom feels cluttered, dull, or messy, it affects your mood without you realizing it. But a spa-like bathroom creates calm, reduces stress, and gives you a moment of peace, even on the busiest days. The best part? You don't need luxury items, only smart changes and intentional details. Step 1. Declutter first, the hidden secret of luxury. Every spa has one thing in common: no clutter. Start by removing unnecessary bottles, empty containers, and old products. Keep only what you use daily. Store extras in drawers or baskets. Instantly, your bathroom will look bigger, cleaner, and calmer. Luxury isn't about adding more. It's about removing what doesn't belong. Step 2. Deep clean for an instant upgrade. Nothing feels like a spa if the bathroom isn't spotless. Clean tiles, grout, mirrors, sink, and toilet thoroughly. Pay special attention to corners and hidden areas. A clean bathroom reflects light better, smells fresher, and immediately feels high-end. This step alone can make your bathroom feel brand new without spending a single dollar. Step 3. Soft lighting creates spa magic. Harsh white lights kill the spa mood instantly. Replace bright bulbs with warm white or soft yellow lighting. If changing bulbs isn't possible, add small LED candles or battery-powered lights. Soft lighting relaxes the eyes and creates a peaceful atmosphere, making even a small bathroom feel warm and luxurious. Step 4. Towels that feel like a hotel. Spas are known for fluffy, matching towels. You don't need expensive ones, just choose neutral colors like white, beige, or gray. Fold them neatly or roll them like hotels do. Even old towels can feel luxurious when folded properly. This small visual change instantly makes your bathroom feel organized and premium. Step 5. Add natural elements for calm energy. Nature is a core part of spa design. Add a small plant, bamboo accessory, or wooden tray. If real plants aren't possible, high-quality artificial greenery works too. Natural textures soften the space and bring calm energy into your bathroom. One plant can completely change the vibe. Simple but powerful. Step 6. Scents that relax the mind. A spa experience is incomplete without fragrance. Use essential oils like lavender, eucalyptus, or lemon. You can add a few drops to a bowl of hot water, hang eucalyptus in the shower, or use a simple diffuser. Step 7. Upgrade accessories without spending much. Replace mismatched plastic items with simple, coordinated accessories. Soap dispensers, toothbrush holders, and trays in matching colors create visual harmony. Even budget items look luxurious when they follow one theme. Step 8. Sound matters more than you think. Spas are quiet, calm, and peaceful. If possible, play soft instrumental music or nature sounds while showering. Even low background sound can transform your mood. Step 9. Use fabric to soften the space. Hard surfaces dominate bathrooms, making them feel cold. Add a soft bath mat, fabric shower curtain, or even a small stool with a towel on it. Drop a comment below and tell us how you have turned your bathroom into a spa-like space. We really love to hear from you. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and hit the bell icon for more smart home transformation hacks. Click the link below to learn more about how to create a spa-like bathroom atmosphere on a budget. Try these tips today and turn your bathroom into a place where relaxation begins and stress disappears, without breaking your budget.